Let's go over the Balancing Chemical Equations Gizmo on the Explore Learning website. We'll click on this button here to launch the gizmo. After a few seconds, we have this screen. Make sure to scroll down a little bit to see the full gizmo. The first set of reaction is a synthesis reaction. We can choose later single replacement, decomposition, double replacement, or combustion reaction. For now, we just do synthesis. We can show summary to tell us whether or not our equation is balanced, and we can use our histogram here to show the number of atoms in each reaction before the reaction and after reaction, and for each type of atom. So right now we have one molecule of hydrogen, and in this one molecule of hydrogen there are two atoms, right? Because the subscript 2 tells you there are two atoms in each molecule. Now we can increase the number of molecules of hydrogen by clicking on the up arrow. So now we have two molecules of hydrogen, and each hydrogen has two atoms. So there are a total of 4 atoms of hydrogen in this picture right now. This is also shown by on the histogram. There are 4 atoms of hydrogen before the balancing. And now let's try to balance it. So if there are 4 atoms of hydrogen on the product, on the reactant side, there should also be 4 atoms of hydrogen on the product side. So we should increase the number of water by 1 to a final of 2 molecules of water to have 4 atoms of hydrogen. And now it tells us it's balanced because there's 4 atoms on the reactant side and 4 atoms of hydrogen on the product side. As well, there are 2 atoms of oxygen on the reactant side and 2 atoms of oxygen on the product side. As we can see, this equation is balanced, and the histogram, the bar chart, is level across the board. So the balance equation for the synthesis of water is 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen yields 2 water. So this is a synthesis reaction. We have 2 elements making a product. The opposite of a synthesis is decomposition. In this case, we're taking one molecule, sodium chloride, and breaking it down into 2 elements, sodium and chloride. Now, you would first think that this is a balanced equation already because there's one atom of sodium and one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine, but there's 2 atoms of chlorine. So in this case, we got to increase the number of chlorine on the left side, on the reactant side, so we can go up. And we'll show a histogram as well. And now it's not balanced for sodium, so we have to increase this to 2. And now we see that it's fully balanced. Also, you can use these tools to take a screenshot of your simulation and include it into your assignment as required. The other reactions we can do are a single replacement, where you have an element and a molecule reacting to form another molecule and another element. We can have a double replacement, where we have element or a molecule 1 plus molecule 2 yields molecule 3 and molecule 4. And lastly, there's the combustion reaction, where you're burning, in this case, CH4 methane with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. I hope this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.